Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a known position setup in Microsurvey's FieldGenius for Android. So this is perfect if you're returning to the site and you want to set your base up over the exact same point. So what I'm going to do from the main menu here is I'm going to go into my Select Instrument menu, the third option on the left here. And within my Instrument Profile menu here, I have already created a Hemisphere S631 profile. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select Connect here on my profile, and it's going to initialize my Bluetooth connection. And once initialized, I'm going to be inside my GNSS reference profile, and you can see that I've got my Hemisphere S631, I'm seeing 28 satellites, I've got a Bluetooth connection, and my tolerances have been set when I did the previous setup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press Setup Antenna Height, and I'm going to need to enter my measured height. So before the video began, I measured it at a measly 3.25 feet. I'm going to hit check here, and then you can see here my measure point. I'm going to change that to my height mark slant and hit OK to set my antenna height. And then my next option here is going to be my setup reference position. So instead of going to observe like I did in our other base setup video, which I'll just link to in the top right corner, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it on the known tab. And then at the bottom here where it says select from point list, I'm going to select point 1, as I know that is my base position that I previously recorded. So once I have that set, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go set up corrections here to begin my UHF broadcast. So I'm going to go start transmitting. I'm using the internal UHF radios. If you want to learn more about using the other radio modes, stay posted. Those videos are coming shortly. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit start transmitting in the bottom right corner. It's going to configure my port, and now I have successfully set up my base. So if I select done here, I can now begin to set up my rover or move on to whatever else I need to do within this project. And for now, that is everything for today's video. That is how you do a known position setup in Microsurvey's FieldGenius for Android. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything on this YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.